Kittl has lots of great templates that we can use for ourselves. Now, I have already made a video all about Kittl's templates, and I'll link that down in the description. But did you know you can follow the designers of these templates? Well, let me show you how. If you find a template that you like, we can click on the profile underneath. Now, if we click on this and open it up in a new tab, it's going to show you the template. Now from here, we can actually use this design, or we can bookmark. But what we want to do is click on the profile just here. If we do that, it's going to go through to that person's profile and show you all of the templates that they've created. Now, if you want to follow this designer, we simply come over here to the left-hand side to the profile. And where it says follow, we want to click on there. Now, once we've clicked on there, we are now following this designer. And if you want to see all of the people that you're following here in Kittl, then we want to come over to our projects page just here. Now from here, if we come over to the left hand side, we can click on the following underneath. So right here under my profile, it says I have one follower, but I'm following 5 people. If we click on there, we can now see all of the people that we're following. And again, if we want to go through to check out their designs, we can simply just click on their profile and go through. So that's just how easy it is to follow designers here in Kittl. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it does really help out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.